backpack organizing. It's myOrganized.life live. August 1st, 2019.
Happy August. Yes, and I've got my backpack on.
Look at that.
Because I'm ready for school. This is deja vu. Did we do this last year?
I don't know if we used the backpack last year.
I think we did.
We'll
I
have
think
to
there was a
scroll
picture of
all
me
the way
going like
back,
that.
200 and some shows back on the, yeah, because we started this in February of 2018.
Yes.
We had our 1 year anniversary in February of 2019. That's just for this daily show.
Right.
Podcast, 6 years.
6 years. Can you believe it?
266
You might just get
shows.
famous for that someday.
I don't know. I almost have. Let's see. If we do, well, let's see.
Are you trying to do some math here?
Yeah, I'm
How many
trying to.
hours of camera time you have?
A lot.
A lot.
Okay, we have a lot going on, and actually, you know, the way the seasons work, season 7 starts in September,
right.
so we're really less than a month
Wow.
away from season 7.
7.
But that's not what this is. This is myOrganized.life Live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Thursdays we solve your solutions. And because it is back to school time, we're in the middle of it, right?
Yes, I think people in the southern states kind of start right about now. We
were
up here
filling
don't
out,
start.
We were filling out forms last night.
When does your school officially start?
Well, one of them starts in the college that Catherine's going to starts in, I think, in the 19th of August.
Okay.
So she's got to have all the forms in. The other one, I can't believe whoever organized this, but I'm not even going to say, for Laura's deal, starts on the Friday of Labor Day, which I would normally take off.
Oh, and go to the cabin.
And now they have school all day, so guess what? I get the privilege of leaving late in the afternoon or early evening and getting caught in what?
Traffic.
Because everybody else
has the same idea or is stuck doing the same thing.
But you know, it will be nice to get away.
But let's not talk about your woes.
Let's
talk about their woes.
I don't even want to talk about that because usually Labor Day means weather is changing.
No, that's a myth. That's a huge myth. September is some of the nicest days.
It is, yeah. Okay.
Okay.
What are we talking about today?
Back
a solution.
To school, a solution for your backpack.
So if you wanted to be an organized student, hashtag myOrganizedStudent, you would want to have certain things inside. The backpack is like the filing cabinet.
Yes, it is. And I have thrown a mixture of stuff in here. So
okay, here, should I help you take this off, or are you going to leave it on?
No, leave it on. Just open this one first. It's closest to my back.
Here we go.
Start with that.
Oh, look what we have here.
We have the step index organizer.
Do we have a slide for this? Let's put it up.
Yes, let's put up the slide. Okay, there we go.
This is 70902. I actually love this product because this in itself is like a little filing cabinet.
Yeah, you could just
skip
probably lots of folders and just have your students use this.
You could put different subjects in there. There's lots of different ways to divide. And it's got this handy window here where if you want to look in and see, ooh,
I've got math coming
There's math. Okay, I like that. Step index organizer.
Yes,
okay.
so that's just one way to
organize
organize your backpack.
Thing? Okay, now I got to go into the other section here.
Pocket, yep.
All right.
Don't give away the farm.
Oh, okay. Then we have our, what in the world is this?
You were supposed to pull that out last, like Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins?
Yes.
Okay,
but anyway, thought it was kind of funny.
That was our really lame attempt at humor.
Yes. Okay, let's just put that down. So you totally botched that joke.
How many kids carry their own desk lamp into? Okay.
Anyway, okay.
Next we have
poly envelopes.
Put up the slide for this one, number 89669. Poly envelopes. Tell me about.
You want to open these?
Yes.
This is a.
Can we pull a lamp out of this?
6-pack. 6-packs, and it's assorted colors. This camera's probably picking up all that noise.
Yep.
And look at all these assorted colors, and
they're clear.
These can be for single subjects. They could be for projects if you have to do a report.
Look at that, and they've got the little Velcro closure on there. Nice.
There we go. Isn't that nice? Keeps your stuff dry because they're water resistant.
Yes, and
they're tear resistant.
Okay.
Not wrinkle resistant. They are tear resistant.
Nice. I like those. And they come in a 6-pack, right?
Yes. Yep.
And 89669. Wow.
Poly envelopes.
That's great. What else is back here in this little backpack here? Okay. Look at this. Oh, for the creative.
Our famous coloring folders.
And this is the 2-pocket coloring folders.
Yep. And it's
Let's put that slide up. It is number where is it? 87910.
And these are labeled with subjects. You've got the math, English, science, history.
So not only can you use them for the individual subjects, you can use these to draw on or color on, I
when
should say.
you're bored in class.
My mother-in-law, you know, who's at the assisted living, they had a coloring class the other day she went to.
Oh, cool.
She really enjoyed that, so.
We should donate some of these folders to
That
them.
would be a good idea. That'd be a good idea.
Can you get those out there?
No, I can't.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, what? Oh,
That's
English.
the English. I've got the math.
Yeah. Nice. And these are 2-pocket folders, so everybody uses 2-pocket
Yes,
folders.
put your papers in the folders.
Great
Everyone
way to
knows
do
how
that.
those work. Let's
Okay.
put the slide up again.
Yes, and these are the 2-pocket coloring folders. 87910. All right.
Alrighty.
Okay.
What's next?
Let's see now. Am I supposed to grab these?
You can grab that
as
whole stack.
A whole stack of these?
These are your standard
Standard
run-of-the-mill 2-pocket portfolios.
87863
Yep, this is an assortment.
must be like
It's
the
an
assortment
Yep.
of them, yeah,
But,
and nice
I mean,
colors
really,
too.
yeah.
They're kind of bright.
Right? For each
Simple.
subject.
They've got, you know, the 2 pockets, and for those students who have business cards, they also have a business card die cut here.
Yes, they do.
But
They
you know,
can ignore that. But
they can. Or
want
if you want to use
something
these for business and you want some
quick
colorful folders,
and simple. Quick
they're
and
great.
simple. This
Nice.
is literally
What
back
else?
to basics. Is there one more thing in there?
there is
Okay, or a couple more
actually
things.
a couple
I don't
more
know. I
things.
must have raided the sample room.
Oh,
there we
the
go.
poly stacket organizers. Let's put up that slide.
Yes.
87017. Now
These
this,
are cool because we've showed these before.
we've showed these before,
but
but
these are
this,
poly.
they're poly, but they're also our organized up line, which means what happens when you file it? You file it the way
You read it.
right, because we all read our
let's
papers
show 'em how
like
this
this.
works.
Yes, show
So
'em how
there's
that works.
3
Three
pockets.
different pockets.
1,
Nice.
2, 3.
Yep.
You put your paper, whatever it may be, in the
Right.
pockets. Then, whoops, this handy flap comes over and just
Goes right in there.
tucks right in.
These are actually
Nice and secure.
these are made for backpacks.
Yes, they are made for
So
backpacks.
these are perfect.
Yep.
So great, I love that
All right.
one.
And then
we
last
have
one.
last but not least,
What is it? I forgot.
it's a poly pocket folder.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh, and look at the fun little thing you get with it.
It's a 2-pocket folder, so you've got the 1, the 2.
two.
Then you've got this little handy pocket that opens, so you
Nice.
can put pencils or flash drives or
Nice.
gum
Let's
or
put
whatever
the
you
slide
want.
up on that number 87700 poly pocket
With
folders.
a security
With a
pocket. This
security
one is a
pocket.
little
A
dirty.
little dirty. You got that from out back,
Yeah,
didn't
that
you?
was somewhere. I don't know where that was.
I can't
Okay,
believe
look at all this
all this fit in
In
one
one backpack.
Plus the lamp.
The
yes.
dusty lamp. We didn't
But
dust this
that's
off
nice.
before we put that
Yeah.
in the backpack.
Yeah. Anything else?
Nope, I think that's it.
That would be good. That would be one busy student too,
Yes,
wouldn't it?
but you know, this is just for ideas. If you
Right.
think your student would do well with this, you know, buy a pack of these
Now,
and put it in
where
the
would they
backpack.
go if they'd want to find something like
Let me
this?
think.
I think I'd go to myOrganized.life.
Good
I
idea.
mean, it's a perfect place. You go, order right online, sent right to your home. It's just
Mm-hmm.
like that, and all kinds of back to school stuff. Hashtag myOrganized student. All right. Great.
Cool.
We are
Tomorrow.
done. Tomorrow. Now, have you decided whether you're going or not?
I will be here.
You will be here. So does that
We're
mean?
still going.
Okay,
We're going
but
to
you're
my
going later.
grandma-in-law's. Grandma-in-law's.
Grandma-in-law's cabin.
Yeah,
Nice. But what about Blogger Roundup?
that's what I said. I will be here.
Have you started looking
Oh, have I
for-
started? No. I still have time.
Oh, you still have a couple hours.
Well,
Okay.
and then I have tomorrow until
well,
the
and
show.
you only have a half day.
Well, I'll be here for the show.
I'll be here to the show, and you leave at 2:07, right? Or 2.
Yes, there
Actually,
you
for that
go.
show, you'll probably leave at like 2:12.
Probably, because
Okay,
Blogger Roundup
good.
is usually a little bit longer.
It is a little bit longer show.
I
Okay.
will be out the door
This
after.
show's getting kind of long.
Yeah, let's wrap
But we
it up.
got a lot going on. Okay, wrap it up. 3, 2, 1. This is myOrganized.life live. We'll see you tomorrow, 2 p.m. Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific, right here on Facebook.